Aye.
So Marcus, been very brave.
I just wanted to stroke you. I wonder if your body would be like that
What
that
are
has
you
put food on.
hitting me for?
He says, can't have enough for all of you. Can't. Hello. Very still. You earlier. Hello. I nearly got me face stuck up. It's not there. My hand is empty. Whoa, ow. Look, not there. Don't there, boy. Calm, you, me, you, calm. Be calm. I am the great dove whisperer.
Turn around.
Suicide dove.
He's looking at you, that
Peg
one.
leg Pete. I can't get that footing on that, can I? See what I mean? They're slipping up bad, Mum.
Aw.
Oh. Jesus. Oh. So relaxing. Like. Ow! The food's in me hand, not on me hood. Oi! Behave! Behave! Right? I'm telling you. You either be good or the food don't get fed to you. It gets fed to the seagulls.
Is this one on
God.
your hand?
See? No more food now. Bye off.
Can you feel him on your head?
Yeah.
Marcus, the bird whisperer.
It's on your arm, it's on your arm. I can't get through.
Where is he now?
Behind you.
Get off! Who do you think you are? Huh? What do you want? Look, you're famous. Say hello to your audience. Oh, what? You're just going to walk over me?
Oi! Will you two stop fighting? Stop. Behave.
Really? Seriously? I ain't even got the food, mate.
Run there, mate. Run there. See? See? Run. I'll show you where food is. Don't you attack me. Now. Right, let me just oh, come on, behave, you pair. You're gonna behave, Jamie.
Jamie. This is the only bird that Marcus can pull. Who's your girlfriend, Marcus?
Shut up or you're getting birdseed pulled all over your head.
It's going up your sleeve.
I've got it walking on my shoe. One in my hand. Ow!
Hold your hand flat because it's falling off.
Well, it's all when they're attacking each other. Don't! It's off, I'm not having a dog fight. Oh! Oi! 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 Behave! Behave, right? I'm telling you now, you're pissing me off. And no, hey!
Who's peed on your thumb?
Has he?
What has you?
No, it's a leaf or a feather.
No, it's poo.
But I'll throw it. Behave! Behave! Right? You want more food? Be good or you're not get. Behave! Good. Ow! That's not on me yet. Oh, it's got my feet.
Yeah.
Just so that you know, bed seat on your head.
I know.
Come on. Oh, you idiot. I don't like him. I do not like him. He thinks Alta wants stuff. Yeah, they've been talking on stuff I don't like.
They do.
Do you want to eat it or not, mate?
Hold your hand flat.
I don't want to eat it up my hand. They're not fresh meat over there. Okay. me if it's soup.
Who's your friend, Marcus? Who's your mate?
If he claps on me now.
Who's your friend, Marcus? What's his name? Oh.
Yes. Finally. Once again. Oh, I was trying to not see if he'd jump on you. You're digging your nails into me. Oh, Jesus! If I got food on my head and you ain't told me off.
No.
Stop walking on me yet, man! What?
He's just...
Telling me? What are you telling me? Oh, 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 oh! Jesus! Hello! I ain't got any food.
Who's your mate?